future is in my hand. Introducing you 21st century's most advanced, most futuristic piece of engineering marvelous. This is Vikas. Vikas. Just like this, Vikas. It sails through across the ocean, cuts through high tides, in dark nights, soulless ocean. It's just a paper folded to make a boat. But in my eye, the paper is folded so fabulously that it makes a beautiful boat. Just like in life, our life is just like the paper.
It gives you the memory you desire to be in this boat. So, we have designed this boat experience to blend comfort, fun, and safety.
Inside the room, they don't feel like they are in the boat, and also we provide medical facility which introduce a smart core kit. It can use not only the smart features navigation using GPS, but it also
Variant is the Aqua Pro 40, which is the base model of ours. It is for ideal for heavy duty, ideal for fisheries, and also low charging time and long driven hours electric motor. 6 months warranty on the electric motor, which is just at a price of 28 lakhs, which is quite competitive to the market price. Coming to the second variant, which is the EcoWave 22, which is the first eco-friendly model of our product.
10 plus, around like 5 to 7 years of warranty in the engine. But your competitors are giving me 10 to 15 years of warranty on the engine on different parts. So why should I buy your boat? What is your USP of the boat?
So you will feel luxurious after you buying our boat.
We are not only focusing on one person's luxury, we are protecting the environment.
The presentation was the Sea Eagle. And this one is our for best because you know the boat where to start from the wood. So you know the eagles, mainly eagle color is white and eagle are the male like tree home. So for this purpose for this farmers we provided this one, the Ganga.
You have the presentation of the paper presentation, and you have the paper board.
Okay.
So you presented different thing. This is not the presentation. This is not the presentation.
In present situation, there is a very dangerous war between Indian Army and Pakistan Army, and we all know that Indian Army dominate in the air and land too. But if you, I am the Sister Dipti Prakash Swai, and my founder is Mr. Kuttinath.
And there are a lot of gaps in the market. Number one, there is no affordable boats are there.
The middle of the ocean, that is your war area. So how much distance and how it will be redirect to come your control room, and how much time taken in between that?
Yeah, the person will walk, explore, and stay safe on water. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Prasant Kumar Naik. I am a boat manufacturing company driven by a belief.
I need to experience and knowledge.
The product we are making, the Storm Broker. It's not just a product. It's a unique and a completely market analyzed boat. Okay, from you are getting some knowledge about the boat, and from it you are getting some knowledge how you build it. In this boat, some biopolymeric materials and some resins and some carbon fibers in
After
it.
investing 8 million from a boat, then also they have to carry extra fuel with them in the
I
boat.
want to say that it is an eco-friendly boat, as our company name, Star Bio, means stood with bio.
When was the last time you had a vacation? So, have you been to Chilika Lake?
Yes,
Many of you might have gone. Frogs, snakes, grasses, and birds, and the beautiful sky above you. So, why we came up with this product is because there are certain problems I came across. So, we are presenting in a 2-seater, 4-seater, and 7-seater features. As all of other companies have presented, it will be having a solar charge, battery charge, and IoT and other futuristic techs which are already present in the electric cars. But since here I'm looking for investment, so that is why I'm here. And I will like to close with a quote that if you want to be close to the nature, please invest in Apurva and sail close to the nature with us. Thank you. Thank you.